Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Genius Hub. Today, we're going to take a bite into the world of apples. You know, these crunchy delights are more than just delicious. They're little powerhouses packed to the brim with essential nutrients. From boosting your immune system to improving heart health, apples offer a plethora of benefits that extend beyond their sweet, tangy flavor. So, are you ready to discover the amazing health benefits of this popular fruit? First, we need to understand the nutritional profile of apples. At the heart of this crisp, juicy fruit lies a powerhouse of essential nutrients. Let's delve into what makes an apple so nutritious. Apples are rich in dietary fiber, a nutrient that aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. They're also an excellent source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that bolsters your immune system and promotes healthy skin. Moreover, they're packed with potassium, a mineral that's essential for heart health and nerve function. But that's not all. Apples also boast a wealth of antioxidants, including quercetin, catechin, and chlorogenic acid. These substances combat harmful free radicals, protecting your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. From fiber to antioxidants, the humble apple is truly a nutritional gem. It's no wonder that the old saying goes, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Now that you know the nutrients packed in this juicy fruit, you might wonder how these contribute to your health. Let's delve into how these nutrients from apples benefit your health. Apples are more than just a tasty snack. They're a powerhouse of nutrition that can contribute to your overall well-being in a multitude of ways. Firstly, they can aid in weight loss. Apples are high in dietary fiber and water. This combination makes you feel full, reducing overeating and contributing to a healthy weight. Next, let's talk about heart health. Apples contain soluble fiber, which can help lower your blood cholesterol levels. They also have polyphenols, which have antioxidant effects. One of these polyphenols is flavonoid epicatechin, which can lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Thirdly, apples could help ward off diabetes. The soluble fiber can also slow down digestion, preventing spikes in blood sugar and supporting stable blood sugar levels. Lastly, apples may boost brain health. Animal studies have shown that juice made from apples could increase the production of essential neurotransmitters, improving memory, and potentially reducing the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. So it's clear that an apple a day could indeed keep the doctor away. And there you have it, the fantastic health benefits of apples. They're packed with nutrients, boost your health, and are delicious too. Make apples a staple in your diet to reap these benefits. If you like and enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot.